In this app, my site review, we will see if it is the real deal, whether you can build a great app with it in 2025. So let's get started with this AI website. Have you ever wanted to create your mobile app? My AppMySite is like a special tool. It's no code mobile app builder. This means you don't need to know any complicated computer stuff to make an app. If you have a website, especially on one made with WordPress, AppMySite can help you turn it into a native app. A native mobile app is one that works really well on phones, such as the one you download it from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. So my site helps you make your native app without needing to be a computer wise. And talking about the key benefit of this platform, it comes with a no code app builder, which help you build your mobile app without knowing how to code. You can also build a native mobile app together with an easy customize, which help you customize your app. You can also find app builder and also reach more users on App Store. Now talking about the best features of this platform, my site has some really cool things that can make building your app super easy and fast. So these features help you skip all the hard part of making an app. So let's check out some of the best features on this platform. So one of the best features is the no code app building. It also comes with these special features called a website to app. You can easily turn a website to a mobile app that functions very well on your mobile device. It also comes with an iOS and Android app creation and a real-time preview together with a quick navigation. So talking about the pricing plan, they offer free pricing plan. They have a pay per app, also have unlimited workspace together with agency white label. So if you want more information about this pricing plan, you can simply get back to the website to know more about this pricing plan. So talking about the pros and cons, knowing the good and bad side help you decide if AppMySite is the right app builder for your needs. So we're going to look at the main advantages and disadvantages about this AppMySite builder. So talking about the advantages, comes with a no code app building in it is very easy. So also turn website into native app and create both Android and iOS app for you on your mobile device. It also offer a real-time preview features and a quick navigation setup, which makes it so simple. Now talking about disadvantages, it comes with an advanced features which is very cost more. It can cost more, and also customization option have limit and the reliance on website structure. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this Mafia website. Thanks.